It's November 8th, and I am in northern Missouri, and it's about 15 minutes after legal light, so that's 6:45. And I came in this morning. We got in after 800 miles of highway. We got settled down about 1 o'clock this morning. I got up about 4:30 and started getting ready and made it in here and done a hanging hunt. I had a fairly long walk. I don't know how long it is, maybe 3/4 of a mile, I'm not sure. But there's a lot of weight to pack all in here, but it's worth it. We'll quieten down and, man, enjoy the morning. It's pretty. I wished it was colder by about 20 degrees, but it's the right time of the year. I will say, on my way in, 2 years ago when I hunted this stand, and shot the buck over there, I seen deer all over this place. And it's just like it's probably a half acre to maybe an acre of ground right here that's just gnarly. And they just stayed in it, passed through it a lot. And I noticed last year when I come, that year there was a real hot trail coming up over the hill, going into the bachelor pad. Last year it wasn't like that. I come back this year, as I was walking in, there's 2 trails coming out of this thing going into it that are just beat down in that mud. So I'm gonna have my Pop-Tarts and get me some water because I'm dehydrated and get ready to shoot a biggin. Matt texted me and said, man, I didn't get any rest last night. So he was going to stay in. I told him to get all the rest he needs. I'll need him to help drag after a while. We'll see how that pans out. Matt. 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 I missed that bug and got another shot. Oh, man, it looked like I stuck him right in the boiler maker. Oh, he was quartering away. Man, I hope that's right. Gosh, it looked good. It looked like I got good penetration. It didn't pass through. Man, that's a beast. That's the biggest buck of my life. I mean, he is. Gosh, he's massive heavy. Oh my gosh, my back is gonna kill me. Oh my gosh. I can't believe that just happened. I cannot believe that just happened. It's 15 after 7. First morning, I couldn't pass that deer up. Man, he'd come across that field. I don't know if you could hear it or not, but when he stepped in the woods over there, I just bumped a grunt call twice. He snort wheezed. I snort wheezed back and he comes right to me. Oh gosh. Oh, please be good. Please be good. Oh my gosh, I'm down. I cannot believe I missed that first shot. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened on that first shot. Man, I had him broadside perfect. And I just shot right over his back. I mean, he wasn't spooked or nothing when I shot. He just hopped. Oh, man, I hope that's right. I'm gonna look back on the footage and see. Naturally, I thought I'd left the GoPro on and I didn't. Typical Sasquatch boogie. Well, as you can see, I thought my camera had that covered. It did not. So the second shot is not even on film. Biggest deer of my life. Probably the best video I would have ever had as far as an aggressive buck just going nuts. I miss him the first shot, and then I missed hopefully the kill shot. I feel like he's smoked. But it looked like when he rounded the curve, it looked like he was doing that I don't like what I'm feeling death dive. It's been about 2 hours since I shot. And Matt's on his way. He's just up the hill there, a couple hundred yards. So I went ahead and got down. I'm gonna try to find my first arrow and then see if I can see where I might have made impact on the second shot. Hopefully find some blood maybe. We'll see if we can pick up a trail, find something. Right there. Here you go. Yeah. Right there. Alright, we found him. Well, he's a big old body thing. My gosh, look at the neck on that thing.
Huh.
Good grief. 11-point split brow tine. I knew he was real heavy. Look at that thing. Man, he's a big old thick thing. Gosh.
That's pretty good first morning.
Hey, I'll take it, dude.
So I reckon.